windy in a sports stadium?
Sports stadium.
These are really common.
Wait.
Windy.
Windy in the sports stadium.
Yeah. She knows. Come, tell.
You want to answer?
You want to
Or
answer?
you want to give up? Huh? You want to answer? No, because
Yeah, answer.
Try.
Tell me.
Is it because everyone runs?
What? Give the answer.
Adi, she's telling something. Check.
Is it because everyone keeps running over there?
You know? Sure.
It's not practical.
Try.
Kind of no.
Tell now.
Wait.
Who want the answer? Abhi, do you want the answer?
Yeah. Wait. He's finishing it.
Tell the answer.
What is the
na.
answer?
He's finishing it.
In one ocean, say to the other ocean.
Let's meet and
We are all flowing together.
It's a phrase.
Each one of them is very different.
Let's
So what is
something. Let's something.
Beaches. Near land. What do oceans do near land?
Let's wave to each other.
Wave to each other.
Let's wave.
Let's wave. Like this.
No, wave.
Let's wave.
Let's
Not wave.
wave.
It's just wave.
Hi. Wave मतलब hi.
We have crossed this intelligence level. Nice one.
बुला गए हैं।
ये बोल रहा है ठीक है तो बोल.
What time do you go to the dentist?
What time do you go to the dentist?
I don't know.
When
पूजा तेरे को आंसर पता होना चाहिए.
I go anytime यार.
good one. This one was good. 2:30. Yeah.
40.
Then it's not 30:30. It's just late.
No, it's not half past. It is 2:30.
Yeah, but hold it 2:30. It's 3 o'clock.
No, but then he's
No.
in half past.
What do you call an old snowman?
Old snowman.
Melted water.
Old snowman.
Melted.
Water.
What?
When the skunk walked into the courtroom. What did that?
Order आता तो order.
Sorry.
Order.
Yeah, I asked this last time also.
So order.
Yeah, similar.
Order.
Order.
Now we are warmed up. What is harder to catch the faster you run?
What?
Breath. Correct.
Yay!
पहले वाला बॉल लगेगा.
Desai family is catching up.
बस ना देखो.
What is the best thing to put in a muffin?
Chocolate chips.
We all like that.
Ice cream.
No, you're nowhere close.
Chocolate chips.
I already told you.
Muffins have holes, na?
No.
Muffins don't have holes.
That's donut.
That's a donut.
Again.
Mano. Tea.
Correct. Tea?
Tea and muffin goes well, no?
Tea. I heard tea.
Oh.
Tea?
Teeth.
Bite into it now.
Yeah, so what you say now?
Pronounce it wrong. कितना fluk.
Next one is a really good one. Why was the spider on the computer?
Wanted to see the World Wide Web.
He wanted to make a website.
See, now we are at your level.
Gets from a pampered cow.
Bol.
But you get normal cow, you get when? What do you get?
Cow dung.
Pampered.
Cow dung.
Cheese.
No,
You. What do you call a pampered person?
Baby.
No.
We call it pet. We call it bigundel.
You're
Spoiled.
Spoiled
Spoiled.
milk. Spoiled milk.
Spoiled milk.
Yeah, I can't read but that's it.
Your teeth can break.
Why can't the leopard hide?
Always spotted. It's spotted.
Spotted.
Yay, good one.
Math's homework so sad.
Maths?
Math's homework so sad.
This is really good.
Easy.
Because it's simple.
Ah, there's not a problem.
Because we did maths. No.
Adi, can I tell?
No, you can't.
It's numbered.
I think so. I know.
It's not that way.
If you know
I didn't know, but I.
That's what we
Nobody
see.
you still can't say.
Can I say? Please, please.
Why is maths so?
You can't.
Can I say, please, please?
No, Mama. She got it.
Maths homework.
math's homework is so sad.
Can I say?
No,
Not
Mama.
maths.
Please, please.
What's missing?
Adi, please, please.
No.
Related to missing.
No.
No missing?
She got the answer.
Correct?
What
Yay!
is there in maths? Okay. Some wait. What would you also call it?
Hey, you are giving the answer out. Huh?
Problems.
Problems.
Problems, sadness.
Just click.
झूठ बोलेगा.
Where is the best place to put cheese? Sandwich.
Yay! Good one. Fido, Fido.
No, mac and cheese. No. Where to put the cheese?
Pizza. Pizza.
भाई तुम्हारे घर पे ये mouse.
Best place to put cheese. Something that ends
Mouse
in
hole. Mouse head.
something that ends in
अच्छे से बैठो. Chicken
That was not good, Adi. That was boring.
Photo was right.
Why did the mouse sit on his watch? There was cheese over there. What?
TikTok. Watching to catch the
Cheese. There was cheese on the watch.
Cat.
Okay. Why did the person sit on?
sit on.
Why did the person sit on the watch?
Watch was very
Watch and catch something.
catch time. Catch time. Similar to
Hold
catch time.
hold the clock. Hold the watch.
Watch the clock.
What does the watch tell you?
Time.
Time.
And what is one characteristic of
Because time
time
was
that they
running.
do not like?
Running.
Time the hand.
come back. So
Pass.
Adi,
Pass.
They're giving
Pass,
you a
pass.
easy clue.
Pass.
Okay, time flies.
I was trying to catch.
Time.
No, no.
He sat on the watch because he wanted to fly. He wanted to be on
Too many
time.
connects. Yeah.
Time flies.
That was a bit tough, huh?
Tough.
Tough one.
Okay.
He wanted to be on time.
No.
He wanted to fly.
No. You wanted to fly or what?
Sit on the time and
Or what is the answer?
No, the answer is different.
Hey, answer is different.
Answer is different.
He wanted to be on time.
When you sit on it, you are on it.
So you
So you know, be on time.
Correct. That's easier.
That
makes
to be on time.
to be on time.
Can I help you?
What is
उसका answer
the
भी है।
time when an elephant sits on your watch?
इसके बाद टाइम बचा रहेगा क्या? When an elephant sits on your watch.
There is no time. Stop time. It comes to a standstill.
It becomes a stopwatch.
Stopwatch. Stopwatch.
The time reverses.
Stopwatch.
How light is the elephant? अरे कुछ नहीं आ रहा है कैसे कैसे आप yes.
Adi, he
It's
said
time to.
He said correct.
Yeah, it's time to buy a new watch.
Hey, that was a crooked one.
Wake up.
What time?
This is pure
What
fun.
time?
Quack, quack.
Quack.
When it quacks.
Very close.
Quack.
In the morning. Very close.
At the crack of dawn.
Correct.
Yay! Quack of dawn.
At the
Quack
crack
of
of
dawn.
dawn.
Crack or quack.
How does a cat greet a mouse? By eating it.
How does a cat eat a mouse?
It's close by.
Bit close. You're close. Manu, you're close.
You are right.
You're close.
One part of what you said was lunch time.
Pleased to meet you.
Good one, good one.
So many questions, huh? Only one question.
Why did the golfer bring several pairs of pants?
Golf.
Like
Golf.
Read again.
Why did the golfer
Because he
bring
wanted to put
several
it.
pairs of pants?
He wanted to put it.
Something to do with holes.
You guys are nowhere close. Wait.
It had too many holes. It had too many. He had to put too many holes.
But.
But
This one's a bit difficult. You should know the golfing terms. It's some sort of
There are
dirty.
14 holes, 16 holes, 18 holes.
It's a golfing term.
Putting the ball.
Plays
No?
golf here.
putting is there, Nadi.
Birdie.
Putting.
No. It's, I think it's basic.
Acha.
Yeah, it's a golfer term.
What is the question again?
Why did the golfer bring several pairs of pants? Did he have holes in pants?
Because there were too many holes, Adi.
Short of holes.
No, he was searching for hole in one. Yay! Ah,
In case he got a hole in one.
ah,
Oh.
this one.
Good one.
This was a good one. Funny.
Why did the skeleton go to the party alone?
Golfing term में वो hole in
Go to the party alone.
But he wasn't alive. No, imagine it's a golf party.
Skeleton party में क्या लिखते हैं?
The skeleton wasn't alive. Why did the skeleton go to the party?
Because he wanted to be alive.
Because it was a lively party.
Skeleton. No, why he went
Because it was a lively party.
Hello.
What do we have other than a skeleton? Like, what does a skeleton
I
help
got
us
it.
with?
It's something to do with the.
What is the
Body.
what is the structure?
Correct, correct.
What is
Correct,
the
you are close.
body?
Nitin, you are there.
Body.
No body. He had nobody. 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 Nobody.
Because he didn't have body. He was a buddy.
No body.
Nobody. He had nobody. Nobody. He had nobody to.
Nobody. Okay.
Nobody. Nobody.
Body. B-O-D-D-Y.
वो भी है, but nobody is same. Like,
What kind of a mouse jumps higher than a house?
Higher than a house.
What kind of a person jumps higher than a house?
I'm sorry.
House mouse
Higher than a house.
jumps higher than a house. Mickey Mouse.
House.
It can be anything. What creature
House.
jumps higher than a house?
Finger.
And they can't jump.
House can't jump.
They jump fast.
You can jump really high.
The house is big.
That is a big house.
Okay, imagine it's a skyscraper. Yeah, imagine it's a skyscraper.
Imagine DB
Nobody
Woods.
can jump.
DB
No
Woods.
mouse.
Imagine DB Woods.
No mouse can jump.
What kind of mouse? Yes, can jump higher than still wrong.
Mind.
Creature can jump higher.
अरे mind can
Yeah,
jump.
what kind of a living thing can house can jump higher? House.
Higher than the house.
And it's a living thing.
This is a English word.
It is something ending with house.
No.
Eagles.
Anyway.
Flies.
Jump.
Adi, she has an answer. But why? You have to tell why. Why?
What is the answer?
In thought.
Any person she said. Anybody is correct, but what is why?
Why? Why can anybody can jump?
Anybody can jump higher than the house. That is the answer.
House can't jump only.
Because house can't jump.
House jump. They're fixed to the ground. Houses can't jump. Let's take
education.
What is the frog's favorite year? What?
I got it.
Frog.
The
What is the
leap year.
Yay!
Because from
Finally,
Sachi-
everyone are at his level.
That's the last one.
Last
Thank you. Very nice, very nice. Very difficult but very nice.
Very nice. Few questions was really tough. Huh?
Some of
Next
them
time,
were
no
very tough.
tough questions.